Close your eyes and imagine the night sky stretching above you. The stars are scattered like tiny diamonds, glowing gently in the darkness. And there, high above, hangs the moon. Tonight it begins to change. Slowly, Earth's shadow creeps across it. The brilliant silver fades, replaced by a deep, glowing red. The blood moon has risen. For thousands of years, people have watched this transformation. They have whispered stories, sung songs, felt wonder, and sometimes fear. But always the blood moon has been a reminder that we are part of something vast, something eternal. Over the next hour, let us journey together through the science of eclipses, through the myths of ancient peoples, through the landscapes of the moon itself. And as the story unfolds, let it carry you gently into rest until the blood moon itself becomes your dream. The science of the blood moon. The blood moon is not magic, though it feels like it. It is the work of light, air, and shadow. When Earth drifts between the sun and the moon, it casts a shadow. This shadow has two parts: the penumbra, a lighter shade, where the sun is only partly blocked, and the umbra, the deep core of darkness, where Earth fully hides the sun. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon slips into the umbra, but instead of vanishing, it glows red. Why? Because Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight around its edges. The blue light scatters, the same reason our skies are blue in the day. Only the red wavelengths remain, painting the moon in fiery hues. The upcoming eclipse, on September 7th, 2025, will last nearly 82 minutes of totality. That's more than an hour of crimson glow, one of the longest eclipses of the decade, and nearly 80% of the world's people will have a chance to see it. Think of that. Billions of eyes gazing up together, watching the same moon at the same moment, a shared story written in light and shadow. Legends of the blood moon. Long before science explained the eclipse, stories gave it meaning. The Inca people of South America believed a jaguar was attacking the moon. Its bite stained the surface red. And so, during an eclipse, they would bang drums, shout, and make noise to scare the jaguar away. In Norse mythology, two wolves, Skull and Hati, chased the sun and moon across the sky. When the wolves caught the moon, it darkened. But the people believed it would always return, reborn after the chase. In the Philippines, some told of a serpent or dragon devouring the moon. To save it, villagers would beat pots and pans, calling loudly to scare the creature away. In China, ancient records speak of heavenly dogs biting the moon. Imperial astronomers watched closely, for eclipses were believed to foretell the fate of emperors. Each culture saw the blood moon as powerful, mysterious, even dangerous. And yet, every time, the moon returned. The stories, though different, carried the same truth. The sky connects us. The moon unites us. And through myth, we learn to find comfort in its return. The moon as a landscape. Now, let us walk across the moon itself. Imagine drifting closer, floating above its silent plains. Beneath you stretch the Maria, vast dark plains formed from ancient lava flows. Here lies Mare Tranquillitatis, the Sea of Tranquility, where Apollo 11 first touched down. Nearby, Mare Imbrium, the Sea of Rains, wide and still. its basin scarred by impact billions of years ago. Craters mark the surface like ancient scars. Tycho, bright and sharp, with rays that stretch across half the moon. Copernicus, vast and deep, a reminder of cosmic collisions. When the blood moon rises, these landscapes glow not white, but red. The craters blush with copper fire. The plains soften to orange. It is as if the moon becomes alive with hidden embers, a lantern lit from within the universe itself. The human connection. Imagine now the people who have looked up at this same moon. Children in villages, elders in cities, travelers on lonely seas. For ancient farmers, the moon marked the seasons. For sailors, it was a compass on dark waters. For poets, it was inspiration. And for lovers, a silent witness to whispered words beneath its glow. The blood moon was always more than a shadow. It was a sign of change, of mystery, of stories waiting to be told. And in September 2025, billions will once again raise their eyes and feel the same wonder that is carried through generations. The upcoming eclipse. On September 7th, 2025, the blood moon will return. The eclipse begins as the moon slowly darkens, slipping into Earth's shadow. By 1730 UTC, totality begins. For over an hour, the moon will shine red, glowing across continents. From Asia and Africa to Europe and Australia, millions will witness the transformation. No telescope is required, no special glasses, only your eyes, the night sky, and a clear horizon. And as you watch, remember this: you are seeing light that has traveled through every sunrise and sunset on Earth, bent into space, and painted onto the moon. It is as if the world itself is casting its colors into the heavens. Closing meditation. And now, as the story of the blood moon draws to a close, let your thoughts grow soft and quiet. Imagine the red glow fading, the moon returning to silver, the night sky settling once more into silence, the stars watching gently, as they always have. The blood moon is a reminder of time, of change, of beauty, but also of peace. From the vastness of the universe, the moon keeps its steady rhythm, and so too can we find rest. Breathe deeply. Let the moon's light, red or white, guide you into stillness. And as you drift into dreams, carry with you the wonder of knowing that the universe is vast, eternal, and waiting for you in every night sky. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.